Each week, at the end of each week, we want you to post your tyre challenges up, okay, and your times. Each week, the person that wins is going to get a set of tyres sent to them, anywhere in Australia or anywhere in America. So thanks to Bridgestone and Penrite Honda. So we're looking forward to this tyre challenge. Gives us something to do whilst we're, sadly going to be stuck inside for the next couple of weeks as we all together just try and beat this coronavirus. And go. We're using an old Bridgestone X20 here as well. Okay, we're on. Okay, good. 2 minutes 27. 2 minutes 27. Yep. Yeah, he's definitely had his coffee this morning.
Always chase it around the room like a green kid, Jay.
10 and 10.
All the way. Now pull it out.
Oh! Yeah!
Here we go. Oh, watch those knees. Goalie.
Watch his knees.
Well, that was a big grab, yeah.
209!
Yeah. Drop the line.